What's up, guys? Welcome to a new video. My name is Joop from the Clips, aka Macaroni with Cheese. Every day I make YouTube videos. Not lately. Lately I've been doing them weekly. So with that being said, let's get started. Let's check out the price of Bitcoin, where we usually start a video with. The price of Bitcoin is at 19,148 US dollars. And we have seen that Bitcoin is basically going sideways since the downtrend back in April this year. So yeah, it also reached the price of 18,000 per coin. So yeah, it's basically, we've been waiting what Bitcoin's next move is going to be. But it all depends on the overall market, because the stock market is also having a big hiccup. It's not going very well, and I do think it's going to be very interesting. And that will be the main focus on what's the next move for Bitcoin. So yeah, Ethereum, price of Ethereum is $1,304. Price of back in November 22. It had reached the price of 4,478, but we basically are in a downtrend. So it's pretty much interesting to see what's really happening, and it all depends on the stock market. It has a big, it plays a big factor in what Bitcoin is going to do for its next move. So we patiently been waiting. And one of the charts that I want to share with you guys is the DXY. The DXY is basically the strength of the dollar. So if the DXY goes up, it basically means that everyone is putting his money into the dollars. And when everybody's putting his money in the dollars, basically an escape route, it's not good for the stocks, and it's not good for crypto. So yeah, it's a good indicator for what Bitcoin gonna do. We have seen it's been going up since June 21. And it's a nice indicator to tell us what Bitcoin's next move gonna be. So it's now at the percent of 111. So it's a strong dollar, but strong dollar, as I said before, it's not good for the commodities. So I think we could see a little bit price action for the stock market in crypto, but I do think that we'll, in the long run, we will continue this bear market. As many of us don't want to claim that name, but we are basically in a bear market. So yeah, my next subject I want to share with you guys is basically the GDP per country. If you have seen this, if you have seen the news lately, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and Saudi Arabia basically have put their strength together, and they are planning to do business with each other without USA. So yeah, could this really be something, or is it just talk? So to give me more exact point of what I'm saying is, we have to check the GDP per country. So as I said before, Brazil is at 1.8 trillion GDP. We got Russia 1.7. We got India 2.8. We got China 14.3. And what's the last one? BRICS. Saudi Arabia, where you at? Is here at 0.79. So if we all put them together, it's almost near the GDP of the United States, because the United States have a GDP of 21.43 trillion. That's almost 24%. That is 24%. So is this something that really can put in the works? I don't know, because I'm not into politics. But yeah, it could be suggested for something new, and the world do need something new. So there's something to put in mind, put in perspective. what you can happen and what you can expect for the next few years, but something to think about. At the other side, I want to share with you the depth of those countries, because they also got depths. So let's start with a big player, USA. USA got the same amount of debt of the money they be earning. There's like $31 trillion in debt. And you see that the numbers going up. China, 10 trillion national debt. Japan, 50 trillion. Germany, 3 trillion. UK, 3 trillion. India, 2. France, 3. Italy, 3. And Brazil, 1.9. And Canada, 1.9. So this one is basically really scary, because how can you have the same amount of GDP as the same amount of debt? So that basically tells you how the financial structure of the USA is doing it. Not good, but yeah, who am I? So in the next week is going to be very important. It's going to be a very important week for the stock market, because they are presenting their earnings, the Q4 earnings. And you got Google on the 25th. So that will be Thursday. Microsoft on Thursday they're gonna present their earnings. So here's a picture. So this week, 24 October of 2022, is gonna be a very interesting week. Most anticipated earning releases. That's the word I was looking for. So it could have some influence on the market. How much, I don't know, but it could be a nice play. So on Monday we have the earnings of Philips, a few other companies that I'm not familiar with, Logitech, and on Tuesday we got Microsoft, Alpha, Coca-Cola, UPS presenting their earnings, and on Wednesday we got Meta, Facebook, Hilton. Thursday we got Apple, Amazon, Shopify, McDonald's, MasterCard, Pinterest, and on Friday we got Jingo, Next Era Energy, ExxonMobil. So these are the companies that are going to present their earning releases, and it could have a good effect on the price action. So this could be a good play, because let me search for the S&P 500, because we have seen it it's at 37,552, and I'm on the weekly charts, and we have seen that we've been going down. Let me see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks we've been going down since December 2021, last December. So as you can see, we are basically going in a downtrend, but I do think that stock market is going to do the next thing is going up, then it's going down, going up, and it's going down. But the overall movement is downstairs. So what's very interesting for me is these plays, is these ups plays. Yeah, these up plays is where you make the money. So as I said, this could be a good play just to buy some stocks here, ride the wave up, and sell it at the top. It's a risky play, but it's something that I'm really like to do. So this could be the next move for the few weeks. Just buy the moments up. It's not financial advice, but it's a way to make the money. And for the NASDAQ, it's basically the same. As you can see, it's a weekly chart. We've been going down lately, but as I said, when these prices go up with the market, that's basically when you make the money. That's when it's coming down, but you buy up here. So small place. So for now, the NASDAQ is at 11,310, and it could be a serious nice week. And keep in mind, these are weekly charges. So we could have a few weeks that the price will go up, but it's not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence. It's very important to do your own due diligence. So the Dow Jones, same story. Been going down since November 8th. And what I also use as a good indicator is the Hello Sweet. This one, the green, yellow, green and red line. So yeah, it's not financial advice, but it's basically some play that you could figure out on your own. And yeah, that's everything I wanted to share for this video. We keep it short, we keep it banging. So, and do your due diligence, watch the market, what they do. So we got the earnings in the next few weeks. You can also follow me on Twitter, joopvdclips, for these financial advices, for these thoughts, things that I will share. But remember, always do your own due diligence. So yeah, with that being said, I see you guys in the next video. We keep it hot and we keep it banging. Bang, bang. I'll see you. Bye. Peace.